Welcome guys, so today I am with the Edifier TWS330NB and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your MacBook. So at the first you have to simply open the case and you don't have to remove them. You can just use this back button right here, click and hold it until this indicator in the front starts blinking. As you can see right now it is blinking, so we can release this back button on the charging case. Put them close to your MacBook and just do not close this cover. We have to keep it open. And next we can smoothly go for the system settings, go for the Bluetooth. Right now you have to turn on Bluetooth right here, and then in my case I have a lot of other devices connected, so when I scroll down I can find the Edifier at the bottom of the list. Click connect, and right now they will simply move to the top of the list when you are connected. Next you can go for the sound settings and just be sure that the sound input and output is switched to our Edifier. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.